Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick with the Carpet Garage. Want to do a really quick video. Finally got it completed, guys. This is something special for me. 1981 C10, my dad's truck. Finally got it completed. This is the final outcome. Hope I made him proud. Again, it's a Toyota color. Just turned out absolutely amazing. I'm gonna leave the color because my dad probably wanted me to kind of keep it on the down low. This is something he picked out, but he picked out the wheels, got the stance right. It just turned out perfectly. So it's really amazing turnout, awesome job, and just wanted to do a really quick video. Got a 383 stroker motor. Cammed out, interiors, black interior seats are from a BMW. Shout out to Larry, check him out. I'll put the link below. He did help me put the truck together. Let me go ahead and show you the bed real fast. Well, let's do the interior. Let me show you the interior real fast. Okay, leather interior, digital gauges. Again, Larry, lbhmotors. Check out the wood floors, the bed floors. Shaved tailgate. Outstanding job for those wheels. So what it sounds like. I'm gonna go ahead and start up, guys, and then let you hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Again, this is Nick with the Carpet Garage. C10. Hope you guys enjoy it.